So what you're going to want to do is click the link in the description to take you over to this page, Payoneer website. But before we get into the video, Payoneer basically helps you to receive money from people from all over the world. You can use it if once you sign up, they'll give you a US account, and you can also use it to receive payment from freelance websites like Fiverr, Legit, and the rest. So it's always good to have a Payoneer account, and when you sign up with the link in my description, you get $25. So quickly, you want to head over to register, because the page will already be open once you click the link. And once you're here, you're going to choose either freelancer or affiliate marketer, but I prefer you choose freelancer or SMB. And now you select, I'm looking to get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. So because you run into the least amount of trouble going through this method, click on this. Now you want to go down, read through, pay your suppliers, subcontractors for free, withdraw funds at ATMs, withdraw your earnings to your local bank at low rates, and so on. And I also forgot to mention that you can also send to people, send and receive. We're focusing on the receive aspect since we're trying to make money online. Send and receive money from all over the world. So you click on register. And then it will bring you over to this page. Now, pay attention to the way I feel it, because the way you do would determine whether you get accepted or not, because they might as well just decline your offer. So you're signing up, but they're also going to review your whole thing before they approve it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to choose individual, obviously, and then you have to fill out every single thing correctly, because if this is not done right, you won't get accepted as well. So I'm going to fill out this. Make sure your date of birth and everything is correct, then fill in the captcha, and then click next. Once that is done, you're going to come over to this next page right here, contact details, and you're going to fill it correctly as well. Once you get the verification code, input it and you type next. Your postal or zip code, you can easily get this from Google based on wherever you live. So just search for maybe your state or local government zip code and you easily get that. And then the next step will be your security details and shit. Very few questions to ask, and once you set that up, you're good to go. To review it, and you'll be accepted within 24 hours into their Payoneer. They'll accept your account within 24 hours. So that's basically it. So I mean, I don't really need to go on. You've gotten the gist. Just make sure all of the information you input into the Payoneer system is correct information and you're not forging anything. And that's about it. Use the link in the description, get $25, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.